Stop wasting hours on repetitive SEO tasks. Let's automate your way to the top of Google with Gumloop. First, you'll need to create a free Gumloop account and familiarize yourself with the interface. It's drag and drop simple. Automate keyword research by connecting to tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs. Set your criteria: search volume, competition, and Gumloop will automatically find relevant keywords for your content. Next, automatically optimize your content. Integrate Gumloop with your CMS, and it will suggest keywords, internal links, and meta descriptions based on your target keyword and analyze your content. Automate your link building by setting up alerts for relevant mentions of your brand or industry on the web. Gumloop can then automatically draft personalized outreach emails to request backlinks. Finally, automate your SEO reporting. Connect Gumloop to Google Analytics and Search Console, and it will generate custom reports, saving you hours of manual data analysis. These simple Gumloop automations will boost your rankings, save you time, and let you focus on what truly matters: creating great content.